All right, that's fine and all, but can Mother Nature help us out?
Yeah.
Anthony, come on.
Exactly. I'm trying my best.
I know, you don't make it.
You know, I mean, the warmer temperatures are on the way. I mean, you can try reversing your fan if you want to have those warmer temperatures, but I mean, it's going to be a while.
Yeah.
It's been over a week since we had temperatures above the freezing mark.
Oh, man.
It's been a while, right? I mean, we need it. Tomorrow, it could be a possibility. Okay. And as we get into Tuesday morning, those cold temperatures could give us some problems on the roadways. Briefly, we're tracking our next best chance of precipitation. It could start off as a little bit of ice. Then we're tracking just rounds of rain as we get deeper into your work week. So make sure you have the rain gear ready to go because you're going to need it. Monday is going to be somewhat of an appetizer when it comes to tracking those milder temperatures, but much quieter conditions. Speaking of things on the quieter side, this is 480. This is what you like to see. The little bit of sun we had this afternoon really gave way to a little bit more melting on those main arteries out there. That's going to set us up real nicely for early tomorrow morning with temperatures right now 16 degrees. Clear skies with a little bit of a south wind around 6 miles an hour. So feel like number of 7 degrees right now. That is the type of conditions we're going to be waking up to. So make sure you have the layers ready to go. The kids heading to the bus stops, bring out the layers as well. It feels like 3 from Akron. It feels like 0 from Elyria, but that south wind will continue for tonight. And by the time you're waking up, it's going to be cold, but things are going to be slowly improving because of this high pressure. They give us the clear skies for now, but that's going to be hanging out down to the southeast for the next 24 hours. Behind this high pressure, we're tracking a slug of moisture that's working its way through the mid-Missouri Valley and also some ice that's underway right now throughout the central and southern plains. In fact, when it comes to the current alerts, we're looking at some ice storm warnings near Tulsa and the Fort Smith area down in Arkansas. And this whole little stretch of winter weather advisories, that's ice potential going into Monday and Tuesday. So let's talk about your Monday. So it's going to be really quiet. Just increasing clouds throughout the day with your National Design Mart hourly forecast. Temperatures approaching the upper 20s around noon. Then the southwest wind around 10 to 15 miles an hour. We could briefly touch 32, 33 degrees for tomorrow afternoon. Now I want to fast forward the clock to 7 and 8 o'clock for tomorrow evening. Here's that southwest wind, and we're going to be tracking the moisture really rolling in from the west as we approach midnight for Tuesday. Check out the temperatures and also keep in mind temperatures will be approaching the lower 30s, but not a lot of melting is going to be taking place. So right at the surface, we're looking at multiple inches of snow. So that could potentially keep temperatures right at the freezing mark or right below the freezing mark as this moisture rolls in, approaching pre-dawn Tuesday into Tuesday morning. This current model data has a solution of a little bit of freezing rain changing over to all rain. And I'm thinking that's going to be happening by the time we approach Tuesday morning. But nevertheless, those elevated roadways, those bridges could have a light icing on it by the time you're waking up for early Tuesday. By the afternoon, we're warming up into the upper 30s with the first round of rain working out of here. Now, when it comes to ice potential, not a lot. When it comes to tracking ice, you try to look for potential at least a 1/10 of an inch or higher. Doesn't seem that likely as we go throughout Tuesday afternoon, but something worth tracking. Again, we're dealing with colder temperatures at the surface because of the snowpack, so things could be rather dicey briefly for Tuesday morning. Now, things are remaining quite active even beyond Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday, we're tracking 60% chance of rounds of rain. Remember that high pressure system I was talking about? It's going to be moving offshore, and that's going to give us this first slug of moisture for Tuesday. Then Wednesday, that high pressure is going to rotate more moisture in our direction for Wednesday. This is Thursday. Thursday and Friday, we're looking at a very active weather pattern, but it will be warmer, but wetter, unfortunately, with your Union Home Mortgage 10-day forecast. Look at those temperatures, stair-stepping into the upper 30s by Tuesday with that freezing rain changing over to all rain throughout the day for Tuesday morning into Tuesday afternoon. Wednesday and Thursday, upper 40s, lower 50s. Wow, bring out the shorts. That's tropical weather right there.
Come on now.
Yeah, when the 50s become the new mild, right? Lower 40s, they're a little bit more seasonable temperatures. By the time we get beyond next weekend, maybe more snow chances at
Okay.
the first part of February.
Yeah.
But we could potentially wrap up this month snow-free with milder
Okay.
temperatures.
All right, that sounds good. Thanks,
Looking
Anthony.
forward to it. Yeah.